Dude, I think this is so... We're gonna be using these switches they sent over. Listen, I know they're TTC switches. Are those the new KTT strawberries from cheesecake whipped? Huh? I don't know what these are. These are TTC switches. I don't know what these are. I actually don't know what these are. TTC, are they hay switches? But I have hay switches. They have a different stem, do they not? I didn't lube this batch, but I've been lubing my batch. And this little thing over here, this little like diffuser, dude, you have to like put them back in, but they sit so funny. It's awful, dude. Dude, I don't know why. I don't know if you guys can tell either. It's so hard to tell on stream because my colors are a little bit, by the way, the colors on stream, it's a little bit green. You guys can't tell. The colors on my stream I've like altered a slight bit to make it a little bit more pretty, like overall for videos. But it's like a dark hunter green. I don't know if you guys can really tell that. What do we got here? Stabs. Got a little O-ring. Got a little PCB. And we got our daughter board. What thickness is the PCB? I'm assuming 1.6 since these are 1.6. So I hope they didn't send me the wrong things. There is 2 little flex cuts. I'm gonna give it the pass though because it's only 2 flex cuts. We do got lots of compatibility with this. I'm assuming this right here, even though it's not on the PCB, there'll be a reset button. I'm making an assumption, which is nice because I like reset buttons that are seated on the top of the keyboard. I've got a cloth. Dude, you know what? You wanna know one thing that I have a million of? Everyone always lets me keep cloths. I'm not keeping this one here, but dude, I have a whole drawer full of microfiber cloths that I don't know what to do with. Let's actually keep this in the bag. This is a Jaguar TKL. Can I have one? If you guys ever need a microfiber cloth and you do a commission with me, I'll gladly send a few over. Microfiber cloth giveaway. Dude, I love the color of this case. I know it's hard to tell, but it's just like a deep, deep, deep green. Yeah, this is a lovely ano. Is there a moire effect on this right now? Why is my phone vibrating? Stop. This is pretty. Let's see that side profile. There, is that better? It's because it's downscaled, yada, yada, yada. That's what happens with lines like that. There's that side profile. Ooh, it's kind of stepped up if you guys can see that. I'm torn on how I feel about the back. I think the back's actually really pretty. I feel like out of all, I feel like this is, okay, maybe I'm stepping out of place by saying this, and correct me if I'm wrong. I almost feel like this is a bit of an industrial look. If it wants to focus again. It's almost a little bit industrial. I also do like that lower USB-C, which is kind of nice. I don't know, I feel like it's a little industrial feeling, you know, with the screws pretty visible. The anode's fire, it's so pretty. Internals changed. Yeah, this is the V2. I wish it had a logo or something. You know, I'm kind of indifferent about that. Yeah, a logo I guess would be kind of cool. It does have something on the front, which I'll show you guys. But I almost kind of respect it for not having something there, you know? You know what I mean? Want to try a linear switch? Any favorite linears? Oof, my favorite linear? KTT Roses, baby. But also the Cherry Nixies are kind of nice too. Show the top engraving, please. Yes, yes. Let me unscrew this all first. But the screws are kind of all falling out. And then I'll flip it over and show you guys the top. I just want to get at the plate. Also, I just realized purple PCB to go with the purple keyboard. Nice. The plate alignment for top mount in the final production version, it will be made easier. It doesn't say how, but it said that it's going to be made easier. So I'm assuming there is a little bit of shifting, which I can see why you would need to shift it a little bit. Internal weight is optional. GB units will be provided with Teflon tape. So yeah, I guess in some case, some people do like taping down their JST connectors. For some reason, I kind of hate doing that, but And then O-ring provided for stream is silicone. And they're still testing other O-rings. So just as some like notes. But I don't have anything about colors, unfortunately, guys. I can imagine the basics though, like silver. Kind of hoping they go with the green they did for the unicorn this time around. Got the plate. The plate has a bit of a bend.
Thank you so much, Alex, for all the positive influence you have and
Fair
the
act.
rich human and resource you are. We
Thank
love
you, man. Dude, I love you too. Thank you guys for being here all this time. Like literally, it's been a little over 3 years, so thank you so much. Yeah, and green would be super pretty. Kind of surprised they chose top mount. Well, it's top mount or we can do O-ring. I'm assuming you guys probably want to do O-ring. I'm assuming so. So I'm making the assumption. All right, and then here's the engraving on the top since you guys wanted to see that. This is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, so you can see the design of the top isn't quite standard square, I guess. It has some, call it like a facet on the side, whatever you want to call this. Some faceting, because it's right there, but it is cut. It's a cut corner, which is kind of cool. Can't believe Elaine is cutting corners. Pretty good, man. I'll give you that one. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. I'll give you that one there. As cheesy as that was there feet on this? There it was. I enjoy Spellbook. I have it on my Tiger 80. It is a nice set. I will admit. There's a lot of flex happening. I don't know if you guys can really see on the center over here. So it is a little tough to get them in by hand. So I do think I'm gonna have to stick to using the plate fork. Well, this Jaguar in particular is dual mounting system, so I think that's usually a pretty special thing when it comes to keyboards. I like when keyboards have 2 mounting systems on them. I really do like that. All right, let's grab the case one more time. This is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. We're doing O-ring, yeah, we'll do O-ring to start. All right, where's the O-ring? Here it is. If you guys want to learn more info about the Jaguar, I have the IC, I believe, or Choza, what did you put in the build command? Did you put the official website or the IC page? The official website for it. I think was that the old one though? Let me double check. Oh no, this is the new one. Yeah, it's right there. You guys can get all the information on here. We'll go through some of it too. Ooh, this is kind of a long JST connector for this. Although I don't mind this. Okay, I don't have any tape, but I guess we should be okay like this. I'm assuming. No food allowed? That's just mean. I plugged in the daughter board, right? I did. So they are called TTC Hay switches. Oh, that's for the top mount one. Hold on. No, they're not box creams. They're called TTC Hay switches. I actually have a batch of these myself. I just have not used them yet. Because honestly, they're kind of a pain in the ass to lube. Look at this purple, chat. Yo, low-key, I think Future Funk would make a really good choice of keycaps on this too. You know what slaps on this purple is actually Polybius? I was thinking about Polybius. I don't know though, it's okay. You know what? Spellbook's already set in stone. Let's do Spellbook. Let us do some Spellbook action here. All right, we are using TTC Hay switches with a cherry switch for the spacebar on an aluminum plate. No foam, no nothing. We're using the O-ring mount. This is the Jaguar. We'll give it a quick little, here's the bottom again. Beautiful. The purple just pops. My redeem? Flip the spacebar. Okay, and let me do it after this one here. Let me do one quick sound test with this, And then we'll flip it and do the sound test and we'll leave it like that. Okay, fine, we'll flip it. I like the alphas. I think the PBT spacebar, maybe not my fave. Let's switch it. Seriously, the only choice. So much better. You guys want to hear ABS? I'm not gonna lie, I still think it still looks fantastic and it doesn't sound bad with PBT, but I am more than open to trying ABS. Also, if you're wondering why the spacebar looks black, it's just the way that the light's reflecting off of it. It is literally dark blue like the rest of them. It's just flipped there, see right there? It's just flipped, so it looks kind of different. Beautiful. Little HJ test for you guys. It's a really dark gray that has a tint of blue. So good. So much better. The Sonnet's not really comparable in this case because the Sonnet has tons of foam and it's made to sound a different way. Dude, I think this is so... I don't like the way this sounds. You know what I think this is right here? It's just the enter key. It's kind of sharp. I think it might be the TX stab. I like the backspace. The right shift I like. Left shift I liked. What's wrong with this stab? Why is it sounding like that? It's flexing, so it's not on anything. The enter key is super skewed. I don't know if the stabs, if the keycaps itself, I gave up on it. Oh, your enter key? I don't think it needs to be tuned, but we can put a little bit more lube in it. It didn't sound like a lubing thing, but let's see. What's nice is this kind of sounds like... It even might be the switch. It just might be a bad switch. I had a bad switch in my function key and thought it was the entire PCB. Yeah, I mean, it's very possible. That stuff there can happen more often than you think. Oh, sorry, did you guys want me to try it with the top mount as well? Top mount sounds great. Yeah, let's try it. Let's do it up. I do have to align some of this, guys, so give me a sec while I just screw in 2 more screws and then align it. And again, Elaine did tell me that they will be fixing the alignment stuff afterwards. And the final products. I feel like it's too high up. I need to shift it down a little bit. I don't mind this. I like the other one more. What's nice is both the space bars, it's still sharp. It's not as sharp. I still hear the sharp. I think it's the switch. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you, Joya. I'm like 99% positive it's the switch. Okay, the alphas on this are definitely a bit deeper. I like the O-ring mount more in this. I feel like the top mount here is still good. It's a bit stiffer. I like the TTC switches. I've used them in a bunch of builds, and I've always liked them. I do think the O-ring mount was the better mount here. Like, look how nice this looks, dude. Are you guys seeing that? With Polybius? Yeah, I think the O-ring mount was a bit better. Had a nicer sound to it overall. This doesn't sound as thin as other O-ring TKLs. I have to admit that it doesn't, even with the 2 flex cuts. So, not as thin for sure. Thank you guys so much for coming to the stream. I really do appreciate you guys. Enjoy Go stream. I will talk to you guys.